Hello beautiful kids, today we learn fruits name and color name. First we draw here strawberry. This is very delicious food. Strawberry. Now we draw here banana. This is banana and banana has yellow color. Now we draw here cherry. This is fruit name is cherry. And now we draw fruit apple. This is watermelon. Watermelon. Now we draw grapes. Green color. Now we use red color because strawberry has red color. Yellow color. Banana has yellow color. Green color and now red color. Brown color and green color. Now we use red color because apple has red color. Red color, watermelon. Green color, green color, light green color. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.